Welcome to our channel, your ultimate guide to fitness gear. Today, we're breaking down the best kettlebells for all your strength and conditioning needs, from versatile designs to unmatched durability. We'll help you find the perfect kettlebell to elevate your workouts. Stay tuned for expert tips and top recommendations. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics 35 pounds Cast Iron Kettlebell. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills kettlebell, the Amazon Basics Cast Iron Kettlebell is a solid option, offering a range of weights: 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, 45, and 50 pounds. This basic kettlebell starts at just $17.20 for the 10-pound version. This translates to just $1.72 per pound, which is an excellent value, especially considering that most gym equipment can cost over $2 per pound. While it may not be the top-of-the-line kettlebell on the market, strength training coach Amanda Caprito, who authored this review, considers it one of the best value options available. It's important to set your expectations accordingly. This is a budget-friendly product from a generic brand, but you're still getting a functional piece of equipment at a competitive price. However, it's worth noting that the enamel coating can crack or chip with use. Unlike more premium kettlebells, it doesn't feature color-coded bands to indicate weight. Instead, each kettlebell is stamped with the weight on the face, making it easy to identify the right one for your workout. Overall, if you're after an affordable kettlebell that gets the job done, the Amazon Basics Cast Iron Kettlebell is a top contender. Pros: inexpensive and often on sale. Wide, textured handle to help with grip, available in a range of weights. Flat base for stability. Cons: not marked in kilograms. Number 2. Yes, 4 all vinyl coated kettlebell weights. If you're new to kettlebell training, it's wise to start with a budget-friendly option before committing to a more expensive set. The Yes 4 all vinyl coated kettlebells offer a great balance of affordability and versatility, available in weights ranging from 5 to 50 pounds, making them suitable for everyone from beginners to advanced users. During our lab tests, we found the kettlebell easy to use, and its shape performed well for various exercises, earning a strong 4.5 out of 5 for performance. Our tester appreciated the wide, textured handle, which provided a secure and comfortable grip, even with wet hands. Made from durable cast iron coated with vinyl, the kettlebell held up well in our durability tests, receiving a perfect 5 out of 5. Additionally, the flat bottom design is a practical feature, ideal for storage and beneficial for exercises like renegade rows or push-ups. While the plastic coating isn't our top choice, it offers protection for your home gym and helps prevent rust. The weight options are accurate, and overall, the Yes 4 all vinyl coated kettlebells provide a solid, affordable choice for anyone looking to get started with kettlebell training. Pros: wide range of weights, suitable for beginners to advanced, comfortable yet sturdy grip, great for home workouts. Cons: may not work for very large hands. Number 3. Bowflex SelectTech 840 Kettlebell. If you're looking for a kettlebell set but lack the space for a full rack of weights, the Bowflex SelectTech adjustable weight, $179, is an excellent solution. This system allows you to adjust the weight from 8 to 40 pounds with the simple twist of a dial, offering 6 weight options: 8, 12, 20, 25, 35, and 40 pounds. Essentially, it provides the functionality of 6 kettlebells but takes up the space of just one. Switching weights is quick and easy, making it ideal for adjusting between exercises or lowering the weight for your final set. However, the design makes the unit more fragile. It's not built to withstand drops, especially when fully loaded, and its larger size can feel cumbersome during overhead movements or ab exercises like Russian twists. Despite these minor drawbacks, it offers a convenient way to store multiple weights in a compact space. Just be cautious not to drop it. The handle is slimmer than most kettlebells and lacks the flared shape, which may make certain exercises a bit more challenging. The overall size also makes it less ideal for some movements. Nevertheless, considering its versatility and the ability to replace several kettlebells with one, the Bowflex SelectTech 840 adjustable kettlebell is a great value, providing 6 kettlebells for the price of 2 or 3 traditional ones. Number 4. Best Choice 3-piece kettlebell set. For beginners, starting with lighter weights is often the best approach. The Best Choice Products 3-piece kettlebell set, $60, is an excellent choice for those just getting into kettlebell training. This set includes 3 kettlebells weighing 5, 10, and 15 pounds, along with a convenient storage rack. These weights are perfect for newcomers who want to focus on form before progressing to heavier options. They're also great for high-intensity interval training, HIIT, that requires lighter weights and higher repetitions. The set gives you the flexibility to increase weight as you advance, and the affordable price makes it easy to upgrade without overspending. While experienced athletes may find these kettlebells too light, they're ideal for beginners. Best Choice Products ensures that every item meets quality standards before it reaches your home, so you can trust that these kettlebells are built to last. Their commitment to providing high-quality fitness tools like kettlebells, treadmills, and gym mats makes this set a great option for those starting their fitness journey. Pros: great for beginners. Price: comes with a storage rack, wide and comfortable grips. Cons: limited weight set. Number 5. Bionic Body 40-pound soft kettlebell. If you're looking to protect your floors and yourself, the Bionic Body soft kettlebell, $40 to $140, is a great choice. Unlike traditional metal kettlebells, its leather bag and weighted filling are much softer, making it gentler on surfaces. The large handle comfortably accommodates both hands for swings, though it's smoother than most, which can increase the risk of slipping. A bit of tape on the handle can easily fix this issue. The soft design is ideal for workouts on hardwood floors, as the bottom won't cause scratches when you set it down or drop it. It's also safer for use on tile or concrete floors, as the soft body prevents chipping or cracking. Additionally, the soft material feels comfortable against the forearms during overhead movements. However, there have been reports of the actual weight being off by 2 to 3 pounds, and the faux leather can show signs of wear more quickly than cast iron. Still, if your main concern is minimizing damage to both yourself and your home, the Bionic Body soft kettlebell is an excellent option. Just keep in mind that, being leather, the exterior can scuff and tear more easily than solid kettlebells, so it requires a bit more care.